When you see him, everybody say, "Hi, Django!" Everybody say, "Hi, Django!" Practice ka. Kunyari nakita nyo niya. Let's pretend he's already on map. You say, "Hi, Django!" Okay. Django is from Manila Zoo. When you see him, you have to say, "Hi, Django!" Pag nakita nyo na. Ano nga, Django? Wala pa siya. Wala pa. He's not yet here. Why are you saying, "Hi, wala pa"? Huh? He's going to be on top here again. Do not say hi. He's not yet here. He's sleeping. Why are you saying hi?
Hello.
Huh?
Hello.
When he's on top, you have to say, where? Why are you saying hi? Wala pa. Saan ba? Saan? Where? Sa side? Wala naman na. Saan? Sa side? Wala naman doon na sa batan. Where? Hindi, wala naman. Where? Huh? Wala naman. Django! Django naman eh, ninaloko. Tama na yan, Django. Ayusin mo ko, Django ha. Ayusin mo ha. Para guwapo. Everybody say hi, Django. Hello, Django. Oh, Django. Ano yun? Django, you have to say hi to them. Ano? You have to say hi to the kids. Ano? Ano? You have to say hi to them. Ano? Mag-hi ka lang. You say hi to them. Hi to them. Mali! Hindi hi to them. Ano lang? Hi lang. Hi lang. Ano hi lang? Hindi ganun. Simpleng hi lang. Simpleng hi. Django, niloko man naman kami. Sige. I will be introducing Django to everybody. Okay, everybody, this is Django. Everybody say hi, Django. Hello. Ayan. Django, ano yun? Sige. Do you know where we are? Yes, I know. Nasaan tayo? Manila Zoo. Kahapon yun. Yesterday. Today we are in the birthday party. We are in somewhere in Marcos Highway. Manila Zoo. Ano Manila Zoo? How can you say we're in Manila Zoo? Ayan o. Ano ayan? Ang dami unggoy. Hoy, mga kids yan. Hindi yan monkey. Nasaan yung unggoy? Ikaw. Ano? Ano nga ako? Where's the monkey? Ikaw. Django, stop making jokes ha. Django, oh. Sige, Django is... How old are you, Django? You tell them. You are? 7 years old. You're as old as Jessica. How old are you today? 7 also? 7? Pareho tayo. Ah, you're 7 din. Oh, sige. Django, what do you want to become when you grow up? You want to become 8 years old.